I'm out hanging out with my friends here at Blue Bar, Lounge, Cafe, and just enjoying great music, great drinks, great people, having a blast.
Right here, right now, right here, right now, right here, right now, right here, right now, right here, right now.
We're a Lavazza Concept coffee shop. We're a coffee shop, bar, and lounge. And Lavazza is basically one of the biggest roasters in the whole world.
Yeah, I just came down here actually earlier and had a Lavazza coffee, and it was just great.
The cafe by day and lounge by night, I think, is a great concept. Bringing it here to the downtown scene is pretty impressive. It's going to be a fantastic scene for us. We've got a great demographic over at 360, and to have the ability to have coffee and a panini in the morning and then go into the lounge with some music and some relaxing, either coffee, drink, martini, and appetizer, dinner, whatever that may be. I think it's a pretty fantastic fit for downtown.
Blue does have a large variety of martinis, and they're probably some of the best ones that I've tried in Austin. About 20 of them. Got a chance to taste about 2 or 3. Tastes absolutely amazing.
Blue, I would say, has probably one of the best drink selections. Their martinis are pretty phenomenal.
Pay-per-view events, college games, basketball games.
Regardless of what sports you're into, you're more than welcome to come to Blue, because more than likely we will be showing it.
I would come down here any day.